So for today's video, I'm going to talk about parts of a plant. And I'm going to show you animations like the one next to me to give you a better idea how these parts of the plants work with some visuals. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at that now. So before I get into the specific parts of a plant, I just wanted to show you what I'm going to go over today here. Now, if you want to go ahead and try to identify the parts of the plant and what they can do, go ahead. Here it is. Go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, let's look at each part now. Can you identify what its name is? What's it called? That's right, it's a flower. And what does a flower do exactly? Well, plants produce flowers to make seeds that grow into new plants. Flowers are important because they are a way to reproduce, that is, to make new plants. Okay, so I got this animation here showing you how flowers make seeds that grow into new plants. This is a way to reproduce or make new plants here. And as you can see by this animation, the seed is growing and making a flower here, or a plant. So looking at this part of the plant with the black line, what's the name of this part of the plant? That's right, it's the leaf. So what does the leaf do exactly? Well, a leaf, or leaves if you want to be plural about it, are important because they collect sunlight for the plant. If the leaves do not collect sunlight, they cannot make food. They will turn yellow and die. So looking at this picture here, you can see the leaf is getting plenty of sunlight, so it's green. Now, if it doesn't collect enough sunlight or doesn't get any sunlight, they will turn yellow like you're seeing here, and they're going to die here. As you can see here, you've got yellow leaves. There's other colors too. There's like orange and reddish like that, but basically they will turn yellow and they will die. So here's an animation showing how a leaf or leaves collect sunlight for the plant and it helps it grow here, okay? This is how they're able to stay green. So looking at the black line here, what part of the plant is this? That's right, it's the stem. So what does the stem do? Well, the stem has two functions. Number one, it helps move or transport water and nutrients to the leaves. It also moves food from the leaves to the other parts of the plants. And two, the stem supports the leaves and flowers here. So in this animation, I'm just showing you how the stem helps move or transport water and nutrients to the leaves here. So again, I'm just trying to give you a better visual of how the water moves throughout the stem and into the leaves here, which allows it to be green and to grow. So looking at this part of the plant, what's this called? That's right, it's called the root here. Now, roots have two functions, which are uses, by the way, in case you didn't know what that word meant. Number one, they transport or move water and nutrients from the ground to the plant. Two, roots anchor the plant firmly to the ground. This prevents the plant from falling over or being pulled out by strong winds. So the root prevents the plant from falling over or being pulled out by strong winds here. So even though you can't see it, the roots are supporting the plant here, and even though there's strong winds happening, it's not going to be pulled out here. It's going to stay in the ground. So for the bonus activity, I just simply want you to draw, label, and identify the parts of the plant here, okay? So you can just draw any kind of plant. I'm just giving you as an example here for you, for an idea, and just draw and just label the parts of the plant, and please identify them as well. So that's today's video, and I just wanted to show you what parts of the plant look like with some animations to try to give you a better visual of how they work, okay? So as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me, and I look forward to seeing you for my next video.